Let's take a typical house. It has 4 valves, 4 irrigation stations. 2 of them are Teflon, 2 are, one's oleander hedges and one's fruit trees. You're actually going to the heads in the Teflon, seeing which is a half, which is a full, which is a quarter, calculating the gallons that should be consuming every minute. And then you're putting that up against a test, turning it on and watching the meter?
Correct. Well, and we also mathematically divide it by how many minutes it's running a day, how many days per week. You can bring it down only to a certain point to where you're going to obviously distress the trees and plants, right? So you can't go too low to where the trees are affected. But anything excess or in excess, you can certainly trim back. So we encourage your residents or anybody for that matter to reduce their times in the wintertime and increase that allotment or time in the summertime. You can really audit your property from a water standpoint, no different than electricity. You can really find that optimal range and quickly identify, okay, I cannot efficiently use my water any more greater than this point right here. Let's hold it, if you will.